But here is my free Ring Video Doorbell Pro. Now I say free because it was absolutely free. I paid nothing for this thing. All I had to do was refer people to the Ring's Neighbors app, which is an app that tells you about crime and anything suspicious going on in your neighborhood. And again, it was absolutely free to join. And when you join, Ring will give you some money in the form of credits towards any Ring product. So I'm going to unbox this. Try to do it one-handed. So this comes directly from Ring. In fact, you go to ring.com, pick what you want out, and at checkout, your credits apply towards your purchase. Again, I was able to upgrade to the $250 Ring Pro and pay absolutely nothing for it. But you can pay as little as $100 or get $100 worth of referrals, which is only 10 people. So if you get 10 people refer to their app, you can get the basic Ring doorbell model. I can help you do that. Just look in the comments below and do what the instructions tell you, and we can get you started getting your free Ring Video Doorbell.